Preparation namin sa presentation.
Ganito na lang gagawin natin.
Ay, may ano pala. Ayan po. Ang ganda.
Sige po. Brother Galvan, ako na lang po.
Wait lang, mga namin.
Tayo maghahatid mo yung EQ. Ayan. Ayan, sino naka-assign dito? Topin. Sister. Nakain tayo.
Happy Mother's Day po!
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Wala naman kaming content pag wala ka lang pang...
Hello guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po till my next vlog. And don't forget, if you subscribe, to click also the notification bell in order for you to be updated in my next video that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah.